Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying with a voltage tester. This protects you and the wiring. Once done, position a stable ladder and have an assistant steady it while you work. Remove bulbs and the fixture cover, then support the fixture as you loosen mounting screws so it doesn't drop. Explain why. Protecting the circuit prevents shocks and supporting the weight avoids strain and damage, so do those steps now before touching any wires. You'll now handle the wiring. Identify black as hot, white as neutral, and green or bare as ground. Label if needed to avoid confusion. Carefully disconnect the old fixture by untwisting wire nuts. Cut back any corroded ends and strip 1/2 of insulation for a clean contact. Connect the new fixture by matching colors and twisting wires together, then secure with wire nuts and electrical tape if desired. Make sure connections are tight and the ground is attached to the box or greens. You finish by tucking wires into the box, aligning the fixture on its mounting bracket, and tightening mounting screws so it sits flush. Install bulbs and the cover, then restore power at the breaker and test the light to confirm operation. If it flickers or won't turn on, first turn power off and recheck your connections and wire nuts. If problems persist, test the switch and breaker with a multimeter. Replacing a faulty switch or resetting a breaker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.